Welcome to gorgeous gardens of Utah, everyone. It is a nearly spring day here, but we still have 2 months before the traditional day of last frost here in Utah. But I want to grow some seeds now. So today's project will be to construct a simple growing chamber. As you can see, I've done this before a couple times. This one was from a box that some roses came in. And this one is a closet box that we used when we moved. This one is for larger plants. And this one is for seed starting and whatnot. This is a 20 by 20 by 45.5 inch display box. Here are the tools I'll be using. Nice heavy duty aluminum foil, a knife, some paper tape, and some shipping tape. I'll also be installing these old computer fans to provide some airflow. I'll also be cutting a lid in here. I plan to use one of these natural corners here, cutting it out so that I can have easy access to the plants inside. I will also be using these lights here. It will be on the top, on the lid, and provide light and heat. As you can see, we have the seam part right here, where the box becomes three-dimensional from being a two-dimensional plane. It is glued right here, so we will be popping that, opening it up, lining it with the foil, and then closing it back up. However, I want this to be on the bottom. So, the top part will be this right here. That means the intake fan will be down on this lower left. The exit fan will be up here on the upper right. Since I don't have a pen that can fit through there, I do have this small screwdriver. So I am going to poke holes through here on the outer flap and the inner flap. That way I'll be able to know exactly where to cut the hole out. It's always a good idea to test and see that your fans work properly. So here we go. Got the black on the negative end and the red on the positive end. And it is totally going. But which one is the blowing end? Oh, that one. It's coming out on that way. Alright, we've got the seam here. It's an easy one. We'll just be able to pop it out with our finger. Oh yeah. Nice and easy right there. Probably the easiest one I've ever done. Open it up, and remember, only the inside flap will be covered. Well, we've run into a bit of a snag here. The screws on this intake hole got stripped. Actually, the hole here, cardboard is not a good medium to drill through with screws. However, it can still be salvaged if I put a bit of a grate over here. That'll work. This will act as a vacuum and pull the air through. So all is not lost. And there you see, we've got it all installed. We got the lights working, got the bright LED, we got the CFL, and a red spot LED. So close it on up.
And it is ready to be planted in.